If you've ever searched for quick fixes to deal with varicose veins or tired, heavy legs, chances are you've seen South Moon Varicose Veins Spray popping up in ads and social media feeds, promising to refresh, revitalize, and improve the appearance of your skin with just a few sprays. But the big question is, does it actually work, or is it just another product using clever marketing to catch attention? At first glance, the claims sound really appealing, offering smoother-looking skin and relief without the need for medical treatments. But once you dig deeper into the details, a lot of red flags start to appear. The first major concern is that there are no clinical test results or scientific studies available to show whether this spray is effective, which leaves its promises floating with no real evidence to back them up. Another issue is the complete absence of a clear ingredient list, which raises big transparency and safety concerns because buyers don't know what they're actually putting on their skin. On top of that, the before and after photos used on the product page look questionable, with identical images showing up on other unrelated websites, making them appear more like stock or reused pictures rather than real customer results. The marketing strategy is also suspicious, constantly pushing urgency with 50% off today banners that seem to reset daily, making it feel like a pressure tactic designed to push people into buying quickly instead of taking time to research. Then there's the matter of reviews. The website boldly claims over 1,200 positive reviews, but when you look outside of their own platform, genuine feedback is nearly impossible to find, which makes the credibility of those testimonials doubtful. All of these points together create a mixed impression. On one hand, the spray hasn't been proven harmful, but on the other, there's no trustworthy proof that it actually delivers what it promises. The lack of testing, hidden ingredients, questionable photos, and exaggerated reviews put a big question mark on its reliability. And while it might sound convincing at first glance, buyers should be very cautious before spending money on South Moon Varicose Veins Spray.